So, matter can be broadly classified into two types, pure substance and mixtures. So, what is a pure substance? Pure substance is a substance that consists of a single type of particles. Again, you can classify pure substance into two types, elements and compounds. So, elements cannot be broken down further, but compounds can be broken down into elements by using chemical or electrochemical reactions. So if you want to take some examples of elements, it can be copper, it can be iron, etc. And if you are thinking about compounds, the example would be water, sugar. Now coming to mixtures. Mixtures can be broadly classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So what is a mixture? So mixture is a combination of two or more pure form of matter. Okay, so usually mixtures can be separated into pure substances. The best example for mixture can be a sodium chloride. Okay, dissolved sodium chloride, which is nothing but a salt solution. So this is a homogeneous solution. Why? Because this mixture contains same kind of particles. Okay, so that is the particles that are able to mix with each other. Okay, so mixture of two substances is called a homogeneous mixture, which has uniform appearance and composition. So here uniform composition and uniform appearance is possible, but in heterogeneous mixtures what happens is the appearance is non-uniform and also the composition is different. So one example for heterogeneous mixture is sugar and salt. See, the composition are very much different. Sugar is different and salt is different. You can't mix them. And also sand and salt. So these are all heterogeneous mixtures. So you can see the word pure is used on almost all things in market. Like we see the ads that say that there is a pure salt, there is a pure ghee, there is a pure milk and all. So what is pure substance? Pure substance is made up of a single substance. That means there is no different composition there. Okay, pure substance means it is completely constituted by single substance or a single particle. So this is what the pure substance means. Now coming back to mixture. So what are the some properties of mixture? So the best property of mixture is mixture can be separated into pure substances. Okay, then you know that mixture is constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter. Okay, and also usually mixture is classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So let us see something more about mixtures. So as I said you, there are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are usually referred to as solutions. Okay, they are made up of mixture of two substances which have uniform appearance and uniform composition. That is, they get easily mixed with each other and they can be separated into pure substances. Okay, the particles are easily separated by the help of process called evaporation. Whereas in heterogeneous substances, what you see is the mixture and composition. Okay, the composition of the substances are different as well as appearances are also very different. Okay, for example, sand and soil and oil and water, what you can see is they don't completely mix up with each other. So some of the important terms regarding this chapter is solvent, solute, solution and alloy. So let us briefly discuss about them one by one. Okay, so first of all, what is a solution? A solution has solvent and solute as its components. Okay, so what is a solution? It is a homogeneous mixture. So homogeneous mixture which has solvent and solute as its component is known as a solution. The best example for solution is a lemonade, a soda water, etc. Then solute. What is a solute? The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent is called a solute. Example is sugar. Solvent. What is a solvent? Solvent is that component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it. Example, water is the best example for the solvent. Then alloy. Alloy is actually a solid solution. So here alloy means it's a mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. So here it is not possible to separate their components by any physical method, but still alloy is taken into consideration under solution because it exhibits the properties of its components. So these are some of the important terms that we need to understand before we proceed further. Okay, now we have the properties of solution. So let us see what are the properties of solutions are. So one by one, the solution, you know that it is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture in the sense the mixture can be separated into its pure substances. Okay, pure form. So we use physical methods like evaporation in this. Then particles are very smaller. You see, particles of solution are smaller than 1 nm. Okay, you can't see this through your naked eyes. So what happens whenever a light is passed through the solution, they do not scatter a beam of light. Next, solute particles can be separated through filtration. Yes,